What's going on, everybody? Today I'm going to show you how to replace the remote battery in your 2018 Hyundai Kona. This works for any of the above models also, so if you have like a 19 or 20, this will apply to you too. First thing we're going to do is we're going to remove the emergency key, and we're going to use the button that's on the back of the remote, and we're going to slide it down or to the right and pull the key right out. Now if we look at this part of the key here, there's a little bitty notch right here below the hole where the emergency key goes in. I'm going to use a flathead screwdriver, and I'm going to put it in there, and I'm actually going to twist, okay, until I get the remote to split. See how it's split right here? And then I'm going to use the flathead screwdriver to open it up. I want the buttons facing down because everything's going to kind of want to fall apart if you have it any other way. You can take the cover off, and here is the remote battery. Okay, to get it out, I'm just going to push on it like this, slide it right out. And the size of the battery is going to be a CR2032. And just note that the positive sign was facing towards us. It even says it right here. I'm going to go ahead and get a new remote battery. If you need a new remote battery, I'll leave the link down in the description box. It takes you right to Amazon if you need to get a new battery, so check that out. All we're going to do with the new battery is to slide it right back in like that. And we're going to get the remote and slap everything back together. All we got to do is push this right back together, and it will click, snap back together. And then we'll put the emergency key back in, and we're all done. Well, I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, I really appreciate it if you like and subscribe. You guys take care, be safe, have a great weekend.